Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to install the Kanban Task Manager for SharePoint on premises. This is the same installation procedure on SharePoint 2013, 16, 19, and Subscription Edition. And I've already downloaded the Sandboxed Solution Edition here. And I do need to have a SharePoint site, of course I do here. And then I go into site information, find the all site settings, and find the solutions gallery. And then I upload the solution from my downloads there, and then I activate it. That makes the feature available, but it doesn't actually activate the feature yet. So it makes the feature available, but it doesn't activate it. So that's what we need to do. But before that, we need to go into site contents and check that we have the site assets library there. If we don't, then it will be created automatically, but that's not as good. So we want to go into site settings, manage site features, and find the wiki homepage. That actually doesn't change your homepage in any way. It just activates the site assets library here. So now we have that, which is great. And then I can go back into site features under site settings and activate the Kanban Task Manager. So now I activate that feature in my site and my files are added to the site. So let's go back to site settings. There you see a link now to Kanban Task Manager. Under site contents, you find the two files that consist the application, the ASPX user interface file and the JavaScript file. So if you simply click on this file here, then you see that it's starting to create the task list if you didn't have one available. So that's it. That's the installation. If you already did have a task list in your site, then it would use that, of course, and not create its own. That's the demo. Thank you for watching.